when it comes to solving rational equations, the best piece of advice is to multiply both sides by the common denominator, and that will get rid of all fractions. So look at all the fractions that we have in here and think about the common denominators between the two. Since the denominator of the first fraction has a d plus 1 in it, that means my common denominator would have to have a d plus 1 in it. The denominator of the second fraction has a d minus 2, so my common denominator would have a d minus 2. And what I'm going to do is take that common denominator, multiply the left side of the equation by it, and the right side. So I'll multiply it by d plus 1 and d minus 2 over here. Now, the reason that I do that is this d plus 1 that's in the denominator cancels with the d plus 1 that's in the numerator. Leaves us with 2 times d minus 2, which is not a fraction anymore. So that's great. On the right side of the equation, I have the d minus 2 canceling. So I'm left with 1 times d plus 1. So what I'm left with is a linear equation with no fractions in it anymore. So we're just going to solve it like a regular old simple linear equation. I'm going to distribute the 2, have 2d minus 4 equals d plus 1. Get all the d's on one side, I'm going to subtract that. And at the same time I'll add 4 to get that constant term on the other side. 2d minus d is d, 1 plus 4 is 5, and I'm done. Before I leave the problem, I should check and make sure that it's not going to make either of my original denominators equal to 0. Well, I remember that this one I canceled out here, that was d plus 1. If d is 5, that's fine. It'll be 6, not 0. If I plug 5 in for d in this denominator, we'll have 5 minus 2, not 0. So our solution is good.